A new phase of intelligent driver safety is here, where artificial intelligence turns video into meaningful insight, empowering you to drive change through personalized coaching and driver rewards. Introducing the Smart Dash Cam on TN360. With powerful video AI that analyzes footage in real time, you can understand driver behavior like never before and take a balanced approach to coaching that you and your drivers can trust. By capturing the full picture, the Smart Dash Cam builds the most accurate driver scores and uncovers behaviors to reward and areas to improve. With AI doing the heavy lifting, you can streamline and automate administrative tasks that slow down improvement. And with the driver app and real-time notifications, you can keep your team engaged and focused on optimizing performance. Take a proactive step to improve driver safety with the Smart Dash Cam on TN360, from data to decision.